Hello. Welcome back to Cosmic Murmur. The time has come to let go of the day. Settle into your quiet space and feel the weight of the world lift from your shoulders. Allow your breath to slow, to deepen. Tonight, we look up at the endless tapestry of the night sky. We see the countless points of light, each a distant sun, many with worlds of their own. And in the face of such immensity, a quiet, wondrous question emerges from the depths of our hearts. With all of those worlds and all of those chances, are we truly alone? Let this question be a gentle river to carry you softly into the realm of dreams.
The numbers themselves are almost a lullaby. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, contains perhaps 400 billion stars. And our galaxy is just one of an estimated 2 trillion galaxies scattered through the observable universe. The number is so large it becomes meaningless, like trying to count the droplets in the ocean. Imagine you are standing on a cosmic shoreline. Each star is a single grain of sand. Hold a handful. In this small handful of suns, thousands of planets are likely orbiting. Worlds of ice, worlds of fire, and worlds that are just right. Rocky planets at a perfect distance from their star, where liquid water might pool in silent lakes and gentle oceans. The building blocks of life as we know it are everywhere. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, they are among the most common elements in the cosmos. They are dust in the nebulae, adrift in the solar winds. The ingredients are not rare. The kitchens, it seems, are innumerable.
So the logic follows, like a gentle flowing stream. If there are countless grains of sand, and many of those grains have planets, and many of those planets have the ingredients for life, then surely life should be a common thing, a cosmic wildflower blooming in the quiet corners of the galaxy. And if life is common, then intelligent life, over billions of years of evolution, should have arisen many times. So the question echoes in the great silent expanse: where is everybody? This is the profound mystery, the great silence. When we turn our radio telescopes to the heavens, we listen. We listen for a signal, a pattern, a whisper, an echo of another mind looking out at the same stars and asking the same questions. But all we hear is the static of the universe, the quiet hum of empty space.
The silence is not angry. It is not empty. It feels ancient. Like a snow-covered forest at midnight, beautiful in its profound stillness. But it is a silence that asks a question of its own. If civilizations have risen, grown, and reached for the stars, why have they left no trace? No radio calls, no grand structures, no shimmering lights in the distance. Perhaps the answers are as quiet and as gentle as the question itself. Maybe the answer is simply that we are rare, incredibly, beautifully rare. Perhaps the chain of events that led to us, this planet, this moon, this stable star, this spark of consciousness, is a sequence so unlikely it has happened only once. This doesn't make the universe empty. It makes this world, this moment, infinitely precious. It suggests we are not a common wildflower, but a single, extraordinary orchid, blooming in a vast and silent garden.
Or perhaps the garden is not empty at all.
Perhaps it is simply that we cannot see the gardeners. One gentle thought is that we are being watched from a respectful distance, that a mature older intelligence, or many of them, has decided to leave developing worlds alone, that we are living in a cosmic sanctuary, a vast nature preserve, allowed to grow and discover the universe on our own terms. What if we are not alone?
but are simply being given the grace of solitude. And then there is the scale of it all, the sheer mind-soothing distance. A message sent from a civilization on the other side of our own galaxy would take 100,000 years to reach us, traveling at the speed of light. What if the universe is filled with calls, with songs, with greetings, but they are like letters sent in bottles across an ocean wider than our minds can hold? They are on their way. They have been on their way for millennia, and we, in our brief flicker of existence, have only just begun to listen. The final and perhaps most humbling thought is that we are looking for the wrong thing. We are listening for drums in a symphony of light. We search for beings like us who build with metal and speak with radio waves. But what if life evolves into forms we cannot comprehend? Beings of pure energy in the hearts of nebulae, vast, slow intelligences in the liquid methane oceans of a frozen moon, minds that exist as patterns in the dust between the stars. How do you say hello to a being that is the size of a solar system and thinks a single thought every 1,000 years? The great silence does not have to be a source of fear or of loneliness. It can be an invitation. An invitation to feel a sense of profound peace, whether we are a singular, precious miracle in an otherwise quiet cosmos, or a young mind in a galaxy of silent watchers, or simply too far away to have heard the greetings yet. The conclusion is the same. Our own existence is a moment of impossible wonder. The universe holds its secrets close, and in that mystery, we find a quiet place to rest our minds. The answer to the question does not matter tonight. Let the silence of the cosmos cradle you now. Let it merge with the quiet of your room, the stillness of your own peaceful mind. You are a part of this grand, silent mystery, and for now, that is more than enough. Drift now. Just drift. Cosmic Murmur.